Ways for college students to make money online. So I'm going to be going over 4 ways that you can make money online if you are a college student. 4 ways to make money online are basic tasks. You can do basic online tasks and earn anywhere from $5 to $10 an hour. And I'm going to show you some of these things on my computer in just a second. Second way is e-commerce. You can sell products online. You can sell products that you have. You can sell other people's products and make money with e-commerce. And once again, I'll go over all this stuff. I'm going to show you examples of how to do each one of these on my computer in just a second here. Number 3 is you can do social media marketing. You're a college student. You probably know how to use social media. You're probably spending too much freaking time on social media anyways, okay? You're probably spending too much time to actually make money online. It's a bad distraction. Don't do it. You're on my YouTube. It's cool. Subscribe for that. But social media marketing can be your actual job, and you can actually make a lot of money doing it. I do a lot of social media marketing in my business. I hire tons of agencies, and you can be one of those people working for guys like me. And number 4 is you can do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, it's more like marketing and salesy, right? You can sell other people's product on a commission-only basis. So in this case, you could make 0. You could make a big fat $0 because again, if you don't sell anything, you don't make any money. But if you do sell stuff, you can make, hundreds of thousands, millions, tens of millions of dollars like me if you know how to do marketing and stuff. So let's come over to my computer and I'll show you a few things. Okay, so basic tasks are just, it's basic work. And I just signed up for the what place I would suggest and where you'll see the most tasks is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, keep in mind with any of these methods to make money online, you will have to put in your personal identifying information, your social security or whatever it is in your country. And you'll also have to put in your banking information. In order to get paid, you're going to need to put in those parts of information. So don't be surprised when you're like, oh, Amazon's asking for my, banking information. That's how you get money. Now, as you see here on my screen, there's all sorts of jobs on here. There's transcription, there's surveys. Look, here's a survey. Pays you a penny though, okay? So a lot of these jobs they aren't gonna pay much. You could classify kitchen appliances and get 10 cents. You can find somebody's contact information and get 5 cents. You aren't gonna make a fortune doing jobs on Amazon Mechanical Turk. But the nice thing is you can get started right away without any qualifications whatsoever. You just click accept and work right here and you can start making money. It's not a lot of money though. It's not a lot of money. Not gonna be, if you really push it, you can make $10 an hour, but you have to have qualifications, you have to do all this stuff. So it's really just, I don't even think it's worth it. It's again, there's humans all over the world. It's really pathetic how little value a human with no skills are. But again, you could try it and tell me how much money you make in the comments. I'd love to hear you try it for an hour and let me know how much money you made on Mechanical Turk for an hour. Okay, second way of making money is eBay. So you could sell stuff, you could sell your junk, or you could sell other people's junk for money. And if you see on eBay, right here at the bottom, it says start selling. Click start selling, you set up an account with eBay, and you can start selling products. You could sell a pillow, you could sell, you wouldn't want to sell money, but you could sell a mouse or a computer. Whatever it is, you can sell it. And, or if you have stuff in your parents' garage, you can sell that stuff and tell them you'll give them a percentage of what you sell. That's actually a really great business. And that's how I actually started out as an entrepreneur. I was selling stuff that I had on eBay and I made a few $100 each week. And it was a really easy way to get started online. What I moved to is I started selling other people's stuff on eBay and making the difference, making a percentage of the profit. So that's a great way to get started. I like, it's just very simple. Buy it for $5, sell it at 10. Very simple business model. The third way of making money online is social media marketing. And you can find jobs on Upwork.com. Upwork.com has a bunch of stuff where you can do social media marketing. I'm just going to search it right here. So as we see here, there's 2,386 jobs. Check that out. 2,386 jobs for people looking for social media marketers. Now, once again, you're not going to become rich doing this. This person is accepting proposals for $5 to $10 an hour. Here's another person accepting proposals for less than $5 an hour. Okay, so most of the proposals, again, are less than $5 an hour. Here's a proposal for $10 to $15 an hour. Okay, So again, if you're working online, they're competitive market spaces. You have to understand you're competing with everybody in the world. So it's just competitive by the nature of it. And if you really want to make big money, you generally have to differentiate yourself somehow. I'm not going to apply to a job, but if I did, let's say I wanted to apply to this job, this person is looking to build their Instagram followers and they need help creating engaging posts. So what you would do is you'd click on the post, you'd click submit a proposal. So this person requires credits to submit a proposal. The fourth way of making money online if you're a college student is really simple. It's affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, there's varying levels. It can get more advanced. And if you're looking to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a video series all about how to get started with affiliate marketing. But I'm going to show you a really basic way right here, which is Amazon Associates. So if you go to Amazon.com, you'll see at the bottom, they have an affiliate program. It'll say affiliate program, and you can earn up to 10% recommending people buy products on Amazon. And again, if you're a college student, you can do this. If you're any age, you can do this. And what you do is you just sign up. You see join now for free. It says for free. See that? And you sign up, and when you're on Amazon, you can basically recommend any product you want. I'll show you right here. So let's say I wanted to make money from recommending this book by Cormac McCarthy called No Country for Old Men. Really great book I just finished. There was a movie based on this book. If you guys saw the movie with Javier Bardem, amazing movie, even more amazing book. This guy is a Gnostic, but you get the idea. But what I would do is I'd simply go up here and I'd click get link. See, it says Amazon Associates. So when you sign up for their affiliate program, you'll get Amazon Associates and it'll show up SiteStripe. Click get link, click that, you'd pull down, it will give you a link, and all you'd have to do is you'd copy that link and you'd paste it in social media or paste it in forums or anywhere online. And if people click that link and buy a product, you earn a commission, okay? So it's commission only sales. Now, a better place to make money online is ClickPay. They pay much higher commissions, but I'm not here to talk about affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, that's how I make money. I do have a free training. There's a link in the description, but I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned a lot from this training. Whatever you got out of it, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you were most interested in and what you're going to apply in the comments, if it's basic tasks, if it's e-commerce, if it's social media marketing, or if it's affiliate marketing. Let me know what was most useful to you.